Hello friends. For those who don't know me, I am twirling.through Bookstagrammer. The link for my Insta page is given in the description box. And for those who know me, hello friends, I am twirling.through and thanks for watching my video and keep on showing love to my page. And if you like the content, do subscribe, like and comment. So I'm here basically for two things. First, I would like to share my experience about reading, and second, I would like to share few books and few authors for the beginners. So without wasting much of the time, let's get into the video. Okay, first I'll start with my reading journey. When I was in primary school, I used to read too much of books comics basically, and Amar Chitra Kathaएं, and then Panchatantra ki kahaniyan, and other books like Nandan, Chanda Mama, Champak, all these things. And Amar Chitra Kathaएं was my favorite because they gave me the insight into the lives of various characters from our epic like Mahabharata and Ramayana. And I still love them, and I suggest each and everyone that you should read these books. And then when I was in grade 7th or 8th, I started reading Nancy Drew and Agatha Christie. And then when I was in college, I was not at all in touch with books. I don't know why, but I stopped reading that time. Then when I got into my job and started working, that time one of my friends, she was too much into reading, and she always used to, we used to sit together and we used to discuss about the books. And then one day she gave me one book, Veronica Wishes to Die by Paulo Coelho. And after that, there was no looking back for me. I started reading and it was like too good. The journey till now, I'm enjoying it. And the second thing which I want to discuss with you all is about the beginners, like what a beginner should read, what kind of books. First thing which I would like to mention is that go according to your choice. Pick the book according to your choice. Listen to the recommendations, but it's your decision. Finally, you have to decide what you are going to read. The way we decide for clothes, the way we decide for eating our food, similarly you have to decide according to your choice. Okay, so I've got few options for you. Hope you are going to like it. First, I always suggest everyone who wants to read a book, go and pick up Sudha Murty. You will love her book for the reasons. Basically, her books are very relatable. The language is very simple, and they are like a family drama filled with emotions. She writes short stories also, novels also, so you can pick any one of those. A few of her books which are coming to my mind right now is you can go for $1 Million Bahu, 3000 Stitches, and The Mother I Never Knew, and on and on. She has got a big collection of books. She has written many books. You can pick any one of those. Now second is again, it's one of the Indian author which is very favorite of mine, Amish. And I've got his first book was Meluha. This is one of my favorite book. The cover is also so beautiful, and I love this book because the content is too good. Amazing content. And I love this book because the description of the book, the narration, the characterization, everything is perfect. After this book, Amish has released Nagas also, Vayuputras also, and few more books are there. You can pick any one of those. You should read his books. His books are really good. The content is amazing. Then you can go for Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is basically a nature lover. His books are basically based on nature, and he writes short stories also, novels also, so you can pick anything. And I think you must have read his stories in the course books also. Yeah, the stories are so nice. The short stories are basically too good. And the book which comes to my mind is The Night Train at Devli, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, and The Blue Umbrella. These are the few books which are coming to my mind right now, but you can pick any one. You will love those books. Then let's come to one more author, Roald Dahl. His books are you will love. What to say about the content? It's It's funny, it's witty, it's adorable, everything is there. And if you are not in a good mood, just pick one Roald Dahl book and read it. The Chocolate Factory is and Matilda, both are my favorite. And then the another category is a little bit of mature books, adult books, like and I'll go for the beginners. I will suggest Nicholas Spark. Nicholas Spark is one of the author which is like, I think he stands like he's too good. He's too good when it comes to the love stories basically, and the emotions and the character development and the picture and the description, the backdrop, everything is so nice in his book. And the best part is that for the beginners, his books are not that thick, kind of a very simple language, and you will relate to the books. You can read first you go for Walk to Remember, because it's very thin book, and then you can have Notebook, The Wedding, Safe Haven, Message in a Bottle, and then The Longest Drive, Bend in the Road, so many. 2 by 2 is one of my favorite father-daughter relationship. I love that book. So these are the books by Nicholas Spark. And you can read Danielle Steel also. I have got Danielle Steel. Danielle Steel, her books are like basically family oriented and emotional and with happy ending. That is the best part. You will never be in tears, okay? And then you have like you can read few more books which you can read. Agatha Christie and Nancy Drew, you can read them anytime. Pick them up, and I know you are going to love it. There's no need to worry that, oh, it might be boring or what kind of book this might be. No, the books are always very, very amazing kind of books. You can read Sophie Kinsley also. Sophie Kinsley, basically girly books, shopperly books. You will love those books also. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked this video, and also if you have got any kind of recommendation, kindly post it in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video. See you all in the next video. Bye everyone.